broadcast. Let's in the meantime talk about this development. What we're getting to know that the Turkish Airlines aircraft caught fire while landing at the Tribhuvan International Airport. And this has now been reported on Monday morning, where we are reporting of this emergency response that is now coming in from the airport authorities. So let's in the meantime take a look. There are pictures as well now coming in of this Turkish Airlines plane in Nepal that caught fire while landing. And this seems to be the situation. What has now been said that emergency services and that have been called in, and if that fire which has now been doused, all of the passengers have been reported to be safe and they have been evacuated. And that is something that has now been confirmed by the authorities over there. This is the Turkish Airlines TK726 that was en route Kathmandu from Istanbul, and the tire apparently had caught fire while attempting to land, and using the fire engine it has now been contained. All of the passengers are now reported to be evacuated and are safe. Let's get an update from Shefali now. Shefali, well, last year and this year there have been several aviation disasters and incidents that have been reported, and this one is coming in from Nepal.
Right. As we know that an Turkish Airlines aircraft has one of the tires have caught fire, and through the videos that are circulating on social media, we can see that the right landing gear has caught fire. Although the officials are saying that no one got injured, nothing major happened when the incident occurred. But it is really concerning that we are seeing these incidents back to back happening in regards to aviation industry. And while we know that this particular aircraft was coming from Istanbul to Kathmandu, and this happened during the landing, and when this incident happened, of course, emergency was enforced at the airport, and later
so you can in the pictures see the smoke that billowing from that tire there. What has now been said, according to officials, that there were around 278 passengers on board with 11 crew members on the flight, and what is being said that they're all reported to be safe and have been evacuated. Shefali, for the moment, thank you very much for joining us here on the broadcast. We head into a very short break. You're watching the Morning News Hour.